What's up YouTube? It's LDS Reliance. You asked for it, you've got it. Some of you have said that the iPhone 6 takes better videos than the Canon Vixia HF R500 that I purchased. I don't think so, but I don't know, so I promised a shootout, and here it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some video of my son playing with his RC car, and I'm going to take that same video and the same lighting, same everything, one with the Canon, one with the iPhone. I did not change any settings. These are the normal settings that I use for every YouTube video on this Canon Vixia, which is I'm doing MP4, and it's an HD format, and then the iPhone 6, I don't even use an iPhone, I don't like iPhones, and I just left it on whatever my daughter's settings were. I borrowed her phone. I don't think she's ever changed any settings either. So this is a stock versus stock comparison, and let's take a look and see what happens.
That's cool.
Okay, now that we've seen the video, what do I think? Now, keep in mind that I'm not a professional reviewer. I don't make a living doing this stuff. My opinion isn't any more valid than yours. However, it's pretty clear to me that the Canon is a better camcorder. I'm sorry guys, it just is. The motion of the RC car, you can see it more clearly. The video sizes are twice as big, so there's a lot more data there to work with. The sound is better, it's more crisp, it's louder than the iPhone was more subdued. The iPhone seemed a little sluggish in the motion and in the transitions focusing. And keep in mind, it did a good job. I mean, no one's going to be complaining about your iPhone 6 videos, but to tell me that the iPhone takes better videos than the Canon, at worst they're even, okay? And the one thing that the Canon has going for it is its $299 camcorder, which if you pay that nowadays, I mean, it's $199 at Best Buy, come on. And you're comparing that to a $650 iPhone 6. Let's be real here. The Canon's a better video camera, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. So anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.